Hey guys, so today is obviously Thursday, which is the challenge day, and as you can see by the title, it may give a bit of a clue as to what we're doing. Yeah, so animal face makeup blindfolded. I have given Coco Pops a suggestion of what she's to do, and she's given them to me, but she'll find out. I don't know where my scarf has gone from the previous video, so I'm going to have my eyes closed, and I'm not going to edit this or anything to make it look like, oh yeah, I've kept my eyes closed. I have, literally, we kept my eyes closed. You can tell my editing. So, I'm going to start with a suggestion that she's given me. Right, here it goes. I hope it's drawing on me. I'll be upset if it's not. I hope it's comes off. I believe that's it. I think. Wait, need that thing that I have. Can you guess what I am? It's a cat. Oh. Wow. That's so funny. Yeah. I'm a cat. This is my challenge done. And now let's see how Coco Pops did.
Hey, so my challenge is to transform into a rabbit by closing my eyes. Oh, sorry. And yeah, trying to turn myself into a rabbit. So I've got brown bunny ears, so I can do that. I'm just gonna have to make myself really, really brown. I can make myself brown. So stay tuned. I am going to get my instruments and then I'll get this thing on the road. Oh god, I hope this will go terribly wrong. So I have got no makeup on, and I've got some stuff. Yeah, this is the most darkest one that I used to wear. So I'm going to try to be Brown Rabbit. I must get the ears. Right, okay, I'm going to start my eyes now. Okay, first I'm going to start off with some primer. No. I have to get my brush. Oh, damn it. Right, now let's get brown. got it somewhere. Where is it? Ugh. That's the lid. Oops, done that. Done that. There. Oh. I'm not a cat. There, excuse. Okay. What an itch. It has a black eye. Okay. I'm gonna see. Pretty good rabbit. I'm orange. Oh my days, look at that foundation. Oh my god. Oh my days. Oh my days. Just look at this. It's a finished thing. So this is my rabbit design. You can get this look if you want to. See how orange I am? It's not a good look. So that was my challenge, and Shredds has done a cat, as I believe. So I'm gonna say bye.
Thanks for watching. Comment. Don't forget to follow our Twitter page. Yeah, pretty good.